Nabubuhay tayo sa panahon ngayon na napakaraming ating mga responsibilities, ang daming isipin, ang daming kailangan gawin. At ang maraming pagkakataon na papagod tayo. At sa gitna ng lahat ng ito, we are being reminded by the Lord to take some rest. Sabi niya sa Mark 6:31, "Come with me by yourself to a quiet place and get some rest." Napakahalaga po ng pagpapahinga. Maraming pagkakataon na sobrang napapagod na tayo pero tuloy-tuloy pa rin. And this time, we are being reminded by the Lord to take some rest. Kung naaalala ninyo, kahit nga sa Genesis, sabi niya, "So on the seventh day, He rested from all His work." Ayan, maraming pagkakataon na tayo ay nire-remind ng Panginoon that we need to be kind to ourselves. We need to rest. We need to have time to think and to reflect on the goodness of God. Sobrang dami ng ating mga iniisip, sobrang dami ng ating mga ginagawa, sobra tayong napapagod. But we are being reminded by the Lord to take some rest. Siya na mismo ang nagsabi. And in the process, we have to understand, we have to reflect on the goodness of God, the blessings we receive. And we always have to remember that despite the worries that we have in everyday life, that God is in control.